Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit bar graph in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open a docs file. Firstly, edit bar graphs is click for the graph option and click for the link start option. Now click for open source option. Align to the graph is edit. First, market price, cloth price, jacket price, and now edit for now extra column is price is for the price now click for the three dot option and click for the drawer set option. Now click for the setup option and click for the add series option and click for hoodie price this ad. Now click for the customize option and click for the site style and background color. It's okay. Now click for the united document. Now click for the update option. It's okay. Then we show the edit bar graphs in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.